In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. First, open any PDF file. This is your starting point, and it can be any document that you need to work with. Once the PDF is open, you will see the toolbar at the top. This is where all the tools you need are located. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's important because understanding where to find everything will make the process smoother. You will notice that the document itself is displayed in the main area, allowing you to see the content of the PDF. This step is essential as it sets the stage for the next actions you will take. Next, look for the option labeled Fill and Sign. You will usually find this in the toolbar located at the top. Click on it to activate the Fill and Sign tools. This feature allows you to add signatures and fill out forms within the PDF. It's crucial because it gives you access to the tools needed to manage your signatures. Once you click on Fill and Sign, the interface will change slightly, providing you with more options. You will see various icons and prompts that are designed to help you navigate the signing process effectively. Now, click on the Sign Yourself option, which is represented by a pen icon. This action opens your signature options. You may have previously saved signatures or initials here. This step is important because it allows you to view the signatures that you have created in the past. Once you click on this option, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying the signatures you have saved. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your e-signatures directly within Adobe Acrobat. Once you have the signature options open, hover your cursor over your saved signature or initials. This action will reveal additional options associated with that signature. You will see an X icon appear next to your signature. This is a key step as it allows you to take action on the signature you wish to remove. Hovering is essential because it gives you a visual cue that you are ready to make changes. This small interaction will set you up for the next step, ensuring that you're on the right track. Click the X to delete it. This action will permanently remove the selected signature from your saved options. It's important to note that once you delete it, it cannot be undone unless you recreate it. This step is straightforward but requires caution. You want to be sure that you truly wish to remove that signature before clicking the X. After you click, you should see a confirmation that indicates the signature has been successfully removed. This gives you peace of mind that your changes are applied. Finally, if you need to create a new signature, you can do so easily. Just follow the prompts within the Sign Yourself section and choose to create a new signature. This will allow you to draw or type your signature, ensuring that you have what you need for future use. Creating a new signature is essential if you have changed your signature style or need a different one for various documents. You will be able to save this new signature for future use, streamlining your signing process. With that, you now have the tools and knowledge to remove an e-signature in Adobe Acrobat effectively. Remember, each step is important for keeping your documents accurate and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy signing!